channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a calculator using code.org in App Lab. So let's begin. Open design and let's choose a background color. I will choose green. Perfect. Now we will add a text input. The height for 50, 60. The height should be 60. Inside the placeholder, we will write result. Scroll down and you can see the font size. Just make it little big. Now, if you can just change the text color also, I will make it blue. Now, we need to add text input. Two more text input we need to add. Text input. Let's make the widths little small. Perfect. Width should be 108. 100. Perfect. Both are perfect. Now let's choose. So this will be our place where we are going to write our numbers. Now I will choose as pink. Perfect. Now I will add four buttons. One, two, three. The button one's ID will be add. Button two's ID will be subtract. I will write sub. And the third is multi. I will write multi. Button 4 will be divide. So now instead of button, I will write add. Now you can change the button color, but I'm going to keep it same for the first one. The second button will be subtraction. Let's change the background color. I will keep it as yellow. Now let's change the background color as blue. Now the text will be multiply. Multiply. Perfect. Now let's change our button's text to divide. Divide. Now let's change the background color. I will choose as blue. Perfect. So now I'm done with the design. Let's move on to code. So first we will add four on events. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first on clicks ID will be add and the second on clicks ID will be subtract. Third ID will be multiply and the fourth ID will be divide. Perfect. Now here inside the function write add, here write subtract. subtract, here multiply. It's optional. If you want to write, you can write. If you don't want to write, you can leave it. Next, now add a set text to inside all the on click. Perfect. When you're done with adding, now you can see this is text input 2. Now we will choose text input 2 in all our on click 2. Perfect. Now here you can see the text box. Here I will go to math and bring the add. For the first set text we will use add. For the second text we'll add minus, and for the third set text we are going to add multiply, and for the fourth text we are going to add divide. Perfect. So now we will go to UI controls and choose get number. Drag the get number in the first column. Now in the second column we are going to add get number again. Now we need to choose the ID. So the ID will be, this is text input 3. So we will choose text input 3. And here in the second column we are going to choose text input 2. Text input 3. Now I will choose to text input 2 or 4. It's 4 text input. Now the same thing we are going to do at all the get numbers. The ID, the first column ID will be text input 3 minus text input 4. Everything we are going to do the same. So when you're done with it, our code is done. So now when you need to test, click on run and type for like 54 here and here 45. Now we will click on add. Now you can see the answer is 99. Now the same thing we'll subtract. Now you can see the answer is 9. Let's multiply. You can see this answer. Click on divide. You can see 1.2 is the answer. So guys, I came to the end of the video. If you like this calculator, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Always be with Enlighten Your Coding Skills. Bye guys.